You need to watch this if your cat ever makes weird sounds at 3 a.m. Spoiler, it's not just for drama. Let's crack the kitty code. First up, the classic meow. This is basically your cat's way of saying, "Hey human, pay attention to me." Pretty straightforward, right? But what about that sound? That's your cat's inner hunter showing off, usually when they see a bird or squirrel outside. Think of it as kitty excitement. Now, if you hear that's a happy hello. It's like your cat's friendly greeting after you walk in the door. And then there's the heads up. That means back off. I'm not in the mood. Respect the growl. Last but not least, the midnight. You know, that loud, dramatic howl. Your cat might be bored, lonely, or just feeling a little dramatic. So next time your cat gets chatty, remember, every strange sound has a secret meaning.